Everywhere you look, at home and abroad, you see the popularity of K-culture. From K-pop to K-drama, people around the world embrace the phenomenon that is Korea. But do you know what keeps everything together? If you guessed Hangul, you are right. Hangul is the engine that drives Hallyu or Korean wave. We see Europeans, Africans, and Americans on Korean TV communicating in Korean. Today, 77 million people speak and write Korean, and it is the 14th most popular language in the world. Before Hangul, the Chinese characters Hanja was the exclusive writing system of the Korean elite, which meant common people were not allowed access to the language. So you would think King Sejong would want to keep his power and not give people written language. That is furthest from the truth. What actually happened was King Sejong, against the wishes of the noble class, gave a language that was easy to learn to the people. The creation of Hangul contains the spirit of love and democracy. It was free to access then, now, and into the future. Hangul is claimed by linguists to be one of the world's best writing systems for its natural ease of learning. The principle behind Hangul's creation is very simple. First, the shape of the letter is mirrored by the shape of the similar sound the mouth makes. Second, the way of operating letters is easy to use step by step. Lastly, each vowel and consonant clearly equals one sound. From ancient times to even now, Hangul has evolved to meet the needs of its people while holding on to the spirit of its founder, the great King Sejong. Thank you.